In a world brimming with mysteries, life science labs are the cradle of modern exploration. Within these walls, the conceptual becomes tangible as every test tube and trial inches us closer to unraveling life's complex tapestry. More than mere structures, these laboratories pulse with progress, their every breakthrough prompting a myriad new inquiries that challenge what if and why not. Here, professionals unite in a quest through the microscopic, transforming pioneering ideas into breakthroughs that reshape our society. The journey into life science is a dive into limitless possibilities, where every discovery on a cellular level has vast implications for our kind. This odyssey, from the microscopic to the macroscopic, is just the beginning. Join us as we now delve deeper into the instruments enabling these revelations. Imagine a precise symphony where each lab instrument is key to unlocking life's enigmas. From petri dishes birthing revolutionary cultures to microscopes revealing secrets and centrifuges with artisanal finesse. PCR machines amplify genes, thrusting us into a new era. Together, these tools represent chapters of discovery, harmonizing the lab's rhythm. As we transition, we stand at the threshold of insight, and each day brings us closer to elusive truths. Our narrative now follows the daily strides of a lab scientist whose routines are rituals of precision. With each meticulously calibrated vial, the pursuit for answers is evident. Amidst the hum of machines and hushed focus, roles intertwine, from biologist to chemist, articulating the symphony of data and hypotheses. Witness the scientific method's ballet. As we continue, observe the fluidity of inquiry, ignite clarity. Central to the lab's pulse is the scientific method, a rhythm of questioning and revelation. Scientific maestros hypothesize, then orchestrate experiments with disciplined precision. Following the trials, data analysis speaks silent truths, revealing secrets of tested hypotheses. As we segue into collaborative efforts, recall that each research stride is guided by the scientific method's narrative. In the lab's veins flows the spirit of collaboration, where interdisciplinary teams are keystones of innovation. Chemists, biologists, and multiple disciplines unite, transcending boundaries and fostering breakthroughs. Together, they push the frontiers, and their achievements are not just academic victories, they unlock advancements for humanity. As we witness this synergy, see how collective vision molds astonishing possibilities. Every scientific endeavor encounters challenges, each obstacle an invitation to critical thinking. As scientists pivot to confront these moments, their inventiveness prevails. Every recalibration or unexpected result hauns their craft. The narrative of science, woven with struggles and victories alike, affirms that the most significant discoveries are born from tenacity. Join us as we uncover how resolution strengthens science's impact. Within the lab's careful choreography, scientists emerge as agents of change, catalysts for medical, environmental, and technological revolutions. Today's research paints a future bright with potential, where scientific advancements ripple through society. These life sciences discoveries transform our lives in multifaceted ways. As we unveil the subsequent chapter, let us honor the ingenuity crafting our tomorrow. Approaching the summit of our exploration, the significance of ethics and responsibility takes center stage. In the collaborative dance of research, ethical guidelines act as cornerstones, upholding the integrity of the scientific pursuit. Researchers carry this responsibility, guiding their work with respect and dedication to communal welfare. As we forge ahead, let's recognize that it is this ethical framework that intricately weaves into the canvas of discovery. Standing on the threshold of tomorrow, we peer into an evolving world where life science labs are the vanguard of a new understanding. Emerging technologies beckon, transforming these sanctuaries of study into landscapes of limitless potential. From genetic editing to computational breakthroughs, the portrait of future laboratories is being sketched this very moment, promising an era rich with exploration. Together, let's imagine a tomorrow drawn from today's curiosity and ingenuity. Reflecting on our journey, we have seen the endless dedication and curiosity within each life science lab. We've witnessed the collective pursuit that forges the path of progress. This beacon of science also calls to future innovators, urging them to carry forward the mantle of investigation. Embrace this invitation to join a story that extends beyond the confines of the lab, a narrative of discovery that beckons your contribution.